Hello, Dr. Crowley. So I wanted to show you a little bit how I did the card. So basically, I went to Boom Cards, which the website is www.boomlearning.com. And then, so I have an account, and this website is for teachers and therapists to create mini apps that they can share with their students, and the students can access them from a tablet, from a computer, and and it could also be used in live during telehealth sessions, and it also allows the therapist to keep track of the child's progress. So it's an amazing tool, an amazing resource. And as part of the account, so I want to checking because so you can get a free account, and I think it does look like you can make decks with a free account. My own account is basic, and so once you have your account, what you can do is you go to the studio, and then here you have the option of creating. So this button will show. It doesn't, when I tried to do this from my iPad, it didn't work, but from my laptop, it did. So I clicked on make decks, and then I clicked on create a new deck. I'm not going to click again because I know that I have a limited number of decks that I can create with the type of account that I have. But so this is what I did. I clicked on this, and then I got an empty page. This was all empty, and it's really straightforward. Basically, you pick whatever it is that you want to add to the card. So say you want to add an image, you drag the image onto the board, onto the dashboard, and you can place it anywhere you like. Once you dragged it, you can upload. So I had saved all your pictures of the Slam Dog Comes Home pictures. So you can upload your pictures one at a time. If you're not happy with the size, you can change the size, you can resize them, you can reposition them, you can delete them with the delete button if that doesn't work. Then for the buttons, it was the same thing. I just dragged the button onto the page and I put them at the top. I can resize the button, I can change the color, whichever thing, editing I want to do, I can do. And then, so I'm brand new to creating the cards. I've used Boom Cards forever, but this is my first time creating one. So I'm still trying to figure out how to do this. But, so on this side, you have different options that you can use. So I noticed the draggable option. So what I did is I clicked on the buttons because my goal was to have the capacity of, dragging the buttons onto the pictures to put them in sequence. So I clicked on draggable, and then it inserted that little hand onto the button. And then whenever you're anytime you're creating a card, you can go to the preview button, and it will show you how the card will appear to the student. So today I was supposed to have an evaluation, and I was planning on just having this page open and then sharing that with my student and having my student just put the numbers onto the pictures, or there's other ways. I've seen Boom Cards where they've used empty boxes, where we could, if I had say put all the pictures at the top and then drag them under, that could have been another option. But so this was the one that I was planning on using for now. So I hope that this gave you a little bit of information on how to do the card. If you want me to share it, I'll be happy to share it.